Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com. So, talking about the markets have continued that euphoric mode. In fact, yesterday the market did again open with the gap up. In fact, it was so close to the 21,000 level that was just 50 points shying away from 21,000, and from there the market had a beautiful consolidation. So yesterday the major weakness was actually led by the banks. So probably we could see the banking sector seeing some profit booking. Yesterday was Bank Nifty expiry also, and that could probably have led to that. But if you see, interestingly, yesterday the FIIs have gone ahead and sold. Well, not a big number to talk about. It was just about 80 crores, which is nothing at all because they've made almost 18,000 crores plus of purchase in the last few days. But then FIIs were at selling, not at buying end. And then the DIIs did buy, they bought for almost 1,300 crores. So overall, it was a plus on an institutional side. But then, of course, looks like Nifty is losing that steam. We had discussed this yesterday that we may not see much rally from here at this point of time for a short while. I'm talking about a very short term, maybe this week's view. So that kind of looks to be happening today, being the Nifty expiry. That could be something that could happen. So after Indian markets closed, even the US markets have closed slightly negative, and that naturally has kind of showing a kind of flat opening in the Indian market. But then off late, Indian stock market has not been following the Nifty futures. So that way, even yesterday it was like that huge gap up was not expected, but then we had a huge gap up yesterday. So what is going to happen at this point of time is not really clear. In fact, I had some trading position which were in profit. I've just booked profit yesterday by end of day because of the same thing of we can't expect anything at this point of time. So what can be done? Of course, I've told you earlier also, at this point of time, not a great time to add fund but to book partial profits. That's exactly what we did. We at MPA family, we booked some regional profits and some good stocks, and then keeping the fund ready for next deployment. So that's for now. But doesn't mean the markets are going to fall down. No, it's not going to fall down. It is just a consolidation. And to fall down, it needs some reason. As of now, we don't see a reason why market has to fall down. But neither are we seeing a reason why the markets have to go up except for the FII buying. So unless FII buying comes in big, we can't expect the markets to go up at this point of time. But then, of course, there will be major sentimental resistance at 21,000. So that could be watched on the higher side. So until 21,000 is broken comfortably, now we cannot expect the next leg of rally, but we may see some consolidation in the similar range. So that's one thing we had to talk about. Apart from that, if we talk about some stock specific news, yesterday we just spoke about BEL, talking about their revenues going up. So I mean their turnover going up, but the revenues were not going great as per expectation. But then that is okay. It's a PSU company, but one of the I would say most I would say professionally managed PSU company, and not only that, they have just bagged another order yesterday from the Indian Army. So overall, BL is looking good. I had it in my portfolio, had a good run and good profit, and we booked out and exited out of it. Like I've told you, as of now, I've kind of moved my portfolio, a lot of my portfolio to small cases, and similarly with IAP. And that is kind of giving me amazing returns and zero headache of monitoring each stock. So, yes, it might be difficult to select the right small case. So, we can help you with that. All you need to do is schedule a meeting with us at mpiinvest.com. So, that's it for today. Let us see how the expiry goes. So 21,000 is a major resistance to watch. If that is broken, that would be something great. I mean, broken in intraday is not something I'm talking about, but we need to see a close about 20,000. That would be good. I'm really happy with the rally that has happened, but just feeling that markets are a little overbought. It needs some correction to decently move further. So that is something important. So that's it for now. Let's see how the expiry goes, and let's wish all of you a great day ahead. This is Srikanth Rajan signing off. But before you leave, do remember to press the like button and do share the podcast with your friends and relatives to help them learn and invest together with us. Goodbye. Have a great day.